Y'all, I'm here with my buddy John Edwards. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, Andy.
Good,
Hope you are.
good. Yes, sir. Loving this car. So tell me a little bit about your 69 Charger.
Well, it's a restored Charger, Restomod type restoration.
Okay.
440 with air conditioning upgrade. Has
Nice.
four-wheel power disc brake upgrade. It has the new air conditioning upgrade with the new Freon type. It has the Dakota digital dash.
Okay.
It has the original looking radio, but it is a retro sound upgraded radio with Sirius radio and Bluetooth and MP3.
Wow.
So with the stereo.
So how long have you had this car?
2 years.
Okay. Now, is this your first Charger?
No, I had a Charger back in the early 70s, had a 69 Charger like this, except it was green.
Okay.
And I wanted another one just to
Right.
drive around in my old age.
Well, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous car.
Well, I thank you.
That's awesome. I love that red. Well, it really pops in the sunlight, doesn't it?
Sure does.
Mercy. Now, I love the styling on a 69 Charger. I think it might be my favorite Charger. I think a lot of people could say that about
Yeah,
them.
it's definitely my favorite.
It's certainly a very iconic car with the split grille there.
Mm-hmm.
And so now a lot of people know the 69 Charger from the General Lee, of course.
Yeah,
But,
exactly.
So yeah, just one of the great cars of American history.
Absolutely.
Wonderful.
I don't
so
think the styling will ever go out of style.
Right, no, certainly not. So this is a 440 car.
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. RT stripe, loving this white interior and the white vinyl top. That's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So you said there's some upgrades to the inside as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Dakota digital dash.
Oh yeah.
The radio looks factory issue, but it's an upgraded retro sound radio.
That's
Factory
neat.
air car.
Oh wow. Nice.
RT steering wheel.
Yeah, I like that. I love the wood grain steering wheels. So nice. Look at this. That's really cool. Really, really cool. Well, let's pop the hood and take a look. There we go. Wow. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Like the MoPar implements there with the
Valve covers and air cleaner.
nice.
It's the motor's been upgraded with Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor, mild street cam,
Okay.
and
Very, very cool.
ceramic coated headers,
Oh wow.
MSD ignition,
All right.
and twin fan Doral cooling system.
Okay. Looks great. Oh yeah. So we're putting out somewhere in the neighborhood of 400 horses, I guess?
4 to 425. It's,
Right.
You know,
Wow.
stock it was 375, but the upgrades probably pushed it
Sure.
30 to 50 horsepower maybe.
Nice. Very, very cool. Some of the trunk upgrades here. That looks awesome with the Charger RT. It's embroidered, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that looks nice.
And it's actually a trap door. There's a car cover and all in that box
yeah,
behind
I see
it.
the hinges there. That's really neat. Yeah,
And then
you
they
get
did
this
a
cover
taillight
here.
cover custom.
Yeah, that looks nice. Very nice. Love it. Looks great, brother.
Thank you.
Very cool. This car really takes us back to the golden era for muscle cars, where the streets roared with power and the spirit of freedom was captured in the form of sleek, powerful machines. Now, there were many awesome muscle cars, but the 1969 Dodge Charger really stands out. It's a car that didn't just turn heads, it left them spinning. The 69 Charger wasn't just about looks, although its design was undeniably stunning. With its fastback roofline, hidden headlights, and sculpted body, it commanded attention, but the real magic lay under the hood. Now, the RT option, which stood for Road and Track, was an extremely impressive beast. The heart of this beast was the mighty 440 cubic inch V8 engine known as the Magnum. Now, this powerhouse churned out an impressive 375 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. Now, in the world of muscle cars, these numbers weren't just statistics, they were a promise of nearly unparalleled performance. Now, on the drag strip, the Charger RT was a force to be reckoned with. It could rocket from 0 to 60 in just 6.1 seconds, leaving a trail of astonished onlookers in its wake. Now, this performance wasn't just about raw power. It was also about the symphony of engineering and design working in perfect harmony. See, the Charger's suspension and handling made it a true driver's car, balancing brute strength with finesse. The Dodge Charger was also more than just a car. It was a cultural icon. It symbolized the rebellion and excitement of an era, and it even made its mark on Hollywood, most notably in the movie Bullitt, where the 68 Charger took part in one of the most famous car chases in cinematic history. And then the 69 Charger was immortalized to a television audience with the General Lee, which was in the television series The Dukes of Hazzard. I grew up watching that show myself. The Dodge Charger's legacy has endured for half a century, influencing enthusiasts and car collectors for generations. Owning a 69 Dodge Charger RT 440 is like owning a piece of history, a testament to a time when cars were more than just transportation. They were an expression of freedom, power, and individuality. So I really hope you have enjoyed this look at this iconic, gorgeous 69 Dodge Charger RT 440, and we'll see y'all in the next one.